Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I have here Abat Obaze and Dion Osage with me for a little interview. So let's listen to what they have to say. Okay, let's go. Dion Osage, get wetin I wan ask you. May we use am for break. May we break am. You get wetin I wan ask you, my brother. Abeg just answer me. You go first answer. Then later Abat go answer you. Abat abeg no enter am make we people for understand wetin dey go on. So let's give Dion Osage chance. Dion Osage, abeg wetin happen between you and Abat Obaze? Just say everything wey dey your mind, talk am. Then when you finish, Abat Obaze go reply wetin dey make am dey vex with you. Okay, let's pass to Dion Osage. This is Dion Osage. Hello everybody. This is Dion Osage, God Sent Foundation. My brother, my sister, I no get anything with about Obaze. The first day wey I see about Obaze, the boy ask me for 5,000 naira. Say him mother dey for hospital. So as I see the boy, I know say na person wey dey drink and person wey dey crack that thing wey una understand. So I reject am, say I no fit give this boy 5,000 naira make he just go dey drink. So from there, I no come meet this boy again. I no see am again. So from there, I come go Europe tour. As I go Europe tour, nothing wey this boy no talk about me. Na so I be this, na so I be that. Everything talkable, this boy talk am. I no care. I no even know the person. Till when I come reflect, okay, na that boy wey ask me for 5,000. Na him be there about Obaze. So from there, this boy no leave me for waste for one day. Na so he go say I do this one, I do that one, the one wey I do, the one wey I no do. He go put everything together. Abeg my brothers and sisters, make una still help me. Beg am make leave me for waste. No because of Abat Obaze I come Nigeria come dey do my charity. I first dey do am before. Just say I come enter online make people for know wetin I dey do. Na im make this boy just carry my matter, just put am for head. I no take a girlfriend for am. I no buy anything wey I no pay for am. Make una beg, me come beg. Make una beg my brothers and sisters. Make this boy make leave me for waste. Make I get rest of mind. Now I say I dey go Canada. I just write am say Europe tour. Canada, Malaysia, gbogbo where I wan go. This boy just start again. They destroy my name. I no know wetin I do am. I no know wetin dey pepper am for body. So me dey here now, may I come ask. Say as him dey here with me now, may I ask am wetin I do am. So that I for tell am say abeg forgive me. You know, if you do something to person you no know, that person dey disturb you. You see am face to face, you just ask am say abeg tell me wetin I do you. Where I for wrong you, tell me, make I beg you, make you forgive. So na be my own, because many people know me. I no be bad person. If the boy need job, I go give am. If you know, because I know say the boy no get job. If he need, I go give am. Make for the work. You know, na Nigeria we dey. We are all Benin, Akugbe, Etin. If he come join us now, everybody go still get his own part. So Mona help me beg am, may leave me for waste. May I continue my job. That is all. Thank you from Ambassador Dion Osage. Okay. Nice. Okay. Ambassador Dion Osage, you do well. Thank you. We don't hear. Okay, now we pass to Abat Obaze. Abat, na you na wan talk so. Abeg wetin dey your mind? Make you talk am. Dion Osage no go interfere. So anything wey you dey your mind, talk am make people hear. Hey. This is Abat Obaze, the cracking balls. Abat, talk am beg. Leave the cracking for them. This is Abat Obaze. Untouchable mama, you do well. As you just meet me with Dion Osage, so make we talk one on one. Untouchable mama, no be say this boy get wetin he do me na jealousy dey worry me bad belle na him just dey worry me. The boy no get wetin he do me. Really, as he talk, The first day wey I see am, I ask am 5,000. No be say I wan use am for my mama treatment o, I bin wan use am take crack my head. So the boy come understand, he no come give me the 5,000, so I come dey vex. I come say, why this boy go do like this now? The 5,000 I just need am urgent, me I take crack my head. And this boy no come give me. So from there, now I come say I go dey follow am. Anything wey he do, even though say na good, even though na bad, I go turn all of them upside down. So now make me dey do that thing. And the boy understand now, say dem deport me for Malaysia. You know, even they say, how about come take 5,000, make you take still dey whole body, and me no get job. So the thing they pay me, if I dey see am say dem dey send money every day, you know the money wey dey enter this boy account. Every day they must call am. You know, say as they receive call, so that thing they pay me. That make me dey jealous. I dey very, very jealous. Now me for dey that post, not be Diono Saige for day. Don't come meet me for Benin now. May we talk am. Don't come meet me. No mind this Oshomole wey carry me come. Say me I come be politician. And I don't reach here now. They no wan give me post. So anybody wey fall for my trap, I go mash am. Anybody wey just do anyhow, where I see say they do good, I go turn outside down, say na bad thing the person they do. Last time Diono Saige go, he say he wan go Europe tour. I just see am now, say this boy wan go there, because I dey hear rumor say they deport am. Now say this boy say he wan go Europe tour. Make we see am whether he go really go. The boy go. As he go now, so then they donate money for now. So people they embrace am. Now so people they talk to am. They tell am good thing. The thing come they pay me. And I'm supposed to be that post. So now the thing come they pay me. I come say, this boy, if he come Nigeria, I go ask am all the money where they donate for am, make come show am. Now me be the chairman. He go show am. If he not show am, na war. So I can't see say then they give am many money now. The money come many for my eye. You understand? Now person will not get job where dey for Nigeria, and the politician they don't they give her anything. You know now, body go the hot. So now my body come the hot. I can't carry barrel and paper. Come say make this boy come they talk and they take donate money for now. The boy not mind me oh. That make me I come dey forge everything. I said they deport am oh. I come dey talk everything where I don't know. Me I never go America before now. I don't even get visa self. Who want dash me to go America? That make me come dey talk all that thing. As I talk and reach, people see they donate money for her. They don't even mind me. But I go continue to dey talk and till Diono Saige go dey give me 5,000 every month. I no come dey talk again. This one now, she just write and come and say he want go Canada. The thing just pay me, and I say this boy, he get passport, visa free to all country. And me, I no even get money to buy ticket to go Ghana. Come on Ghana here. I no fit go. I no fit talk lie. I no fit go Ghana here. The boy just dey travel anywhere where he like. The thing they pay me now. Nigeria passport, you no fit take and do anywhere. Now Africa country, then now you fit take and stay. This boy just buy ticket, you just travel, boom, they go America, they go Europe, go just they travel around the world. The thing they pay me, are they jealous now? I'm not understand now. I'm not supposed to understand. Visa free to everywhere. Anywhere where you say one go, if you go. And the thing they pay me, that make me they jealous. I'm not understand. I'm not supposed to understand. I go Lagos that day. Then give me visa. Now yes, where I talk and say, I go so come Europe. Then give me visa. And I want come Europe. Now they fear. I don't want me all those people where they Europe may they beat me. Because I don't insult them well, and they go beat me. Oh, I know say I go receive beating. I even they fear whether that visa, because they said they give me, they will give me that visa. I don't know whether they go really give me. Oh, I don't understand where I go Lagos. Where I tell them say I want go Lagos. And from there go for visa. I want me I travel, me I still go Europe tour. And Diono Saige still they go. They said they will give me, so that make me announce and that they say I also come Europe. But I never know whether they will give me that visa. If they not give me that visa, I know say I go still stay in Nigeria for a year. And the thing they pay me, I not get work. Money now, you not there. And they even they find some land where they see say I want they sell. They not they buy, money not there. Diono Saige no they understand. Instead of him to give me small thing. If they give me small thing, I know they talk again. I can't be good boy. For now, I be bad boy. I will continue to talk of her. I don't even know as it do that passport. You know, see, Nigeria passport, you know if you go anywhere. Now Nigeria, there you day. You just get America. Anywhere where you say they go, just buy ticket, you go just they go. The thing dey pay me. So now make me come out. I come say, as he wan go Canada, so I want me I tell people say make dem no donate for am. May he stay Nigeria here with me. Wetin dey bring that one? How only one go just dey there? You no even dey mind me as I dey shout reach, as I dey talk reach. You no even call me say, Albert, come, I will give you job. Because you know na crafty boss. Me no fit go na go meet am say make give me job. Now you supposed to call me. Me I come dey work follow am. Any work wey say me I go dey do, I go dey do am. Even to clean, I go dey do am. But make he call me now. Now that one na me want. You understand? So now make me come out. I come say, na this one, na that one. I know say John Saige na good boy. Na very good boy, gentle boy. I dey like the job wey dey do. But I dey jealous. Na me supposed to dey post. Na untouchable mama. So this na all these things. I don't know John Saige before. Now that first time, that be my first time where I know her. You understand, untouchable mama? Okay. My brother, my sister, mona no vex say I dey talk wetin I no know, because you know sometimes you supposed to talk, because as I say they talk and reach, but all these people they no dey hear, they still dey send them money. Because I know say they dey intelligent, then they see the good thing where John Saige they do. But me be one, me they no be they send them. Let's say me if they do am now for they do am. But I know if you do am. Because if I put my account for there, say I want to open charity or I want to open anything, they no go send come for me. If they just see only my face, they'll say, where this chihuahua for come out? This mocking where for come out. So they'll just run. They don't send me money. Now it be that one untouchable mama. Thank you for this one-on-one where you call me with about John Saige. Thank you from Albert Obaze, the crafting boss. Okay, my brothers, my sister, Albert don't talk you, John Saige don't talk you. So una see now say na jealousy na Albert dey. So wetin go happen? Mona put una opinion. Wetin una want me Albert do? Mona still tell am. Mona still talk to John Saige, From untouchable mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. One love.